Hi, this is John with WTI, and I feel like I got everything set up now. I got the whole ecosystem ready of Samsung. These are the Galaxy Buds Pro. The main thing that I like from this Buds is how seamlessly and how the continuity works through the whole ecosystem. Once I open this, it just connects directly to the phone, easy, no problem. The audio is great. It's a well-rounded audio, which puts more focus on the vocals, and it gives you a 360 feature that you're going to feel the audio coming from different sides when you're playing music or when you're playing a game or you're listening to a movie. This just works perfectly. It's easy to carry since this is a small, tiny carriage. It's going to be the battery is great. You got different sounds like active noise cancellation. You have the ambient sound for you to listen to your voice when you're in a call. And it just has so many great features. If you lost them, you can trigger a sound that you can look for them anywhere. And they're wireless charging. You got all these different features here. So these are my main commute now. This is are working perfectly now for me. And this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.